Happy Earth Day. Our planet is our home.
Happy Earth Day. Let's take care of the earth and grow more trees together.
Aii Language Center proudly welcome you to celebrate the Earth Day on April 22nd. Join us on the journey to take care of our planet Earth, the home of wonderful nature, on land, in the sky, in the water, and the breathtaking phenomenon upon the mysterious universe. We have been doing so much things from raising awareness to practical actions. How about you? What have you done to our planet Earth?